Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's Garden. Today I will be sharing about house plants that are so beautiful and attractive. Let's see the indoor plants that you can keep as house plants. This is beautiful citrina plant which I have at my entrance. A beautiful house plant. This gives an evergreen look. This is an ideal house plant because it is low maintenance and permanent. These are the palm plants, Erica palm, and they are also lovely house plants. They are so eye-catching and elegant looking, and also low maintenance and permanent. Lucky bamboo plant, a beautiful house plant because this is low maintenance, permanent and easy to grow. You can keep it indoors in a place where they get the partial to medium sunlight. If there's a window, that will be really very supportive for the plant to grow healthily and beautifully. Snake plant, Sansevieria, another beautiful house plant, and air purifier plant too. It adds so beauty because they fits into small planters as well. So here also I have some Sansevieria plants growing. Beautiful philodendron plant, another beautiful house plant. Keep it indoors and you will see the amazing growth of this plant. They can grow from the stems, and also a lovely golden look. Ideal house plant. ZZ plant, another beautiful green color plant. This plant is a feng shui plant and it's also very easy to grow and low maintenance and permanent plant. So this plant also ideal for your house plants collection. Spider plants. These are the best air purifier plants. Grow them from spiderets and multiply them very easily. This is another beautiful house plant. Swiss cheese plant, another beautiful house plant. Look at the decorative look. This is also one of the best house plants. Very easy to grow, low maintenance too. Aloe vera, a medicinal plant which you can grow from a single leaf, and they are known for the medicinal goodness. Keep this plant indoors. Another wonderful house plant, very easy to maintain and low maintenance. Among the other beautiful house plants, we cannot forget these beautiful Dracaena plants. There are many varieties as well. Low maintenance plant and also such beautiful variegation, beautiful colorful leaf. So add this as an house plant too. Very easy to grow and care. Many varieties of syngonium. You can grow them indoors as indoor plants. So beautiful and low maintenance but permanent plants. These are ideal house plants.